In today's video, we're breaking down how to create a client reporting portal inside GoHighLevel and why this even matters if you work on retainers. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt stuck pulling reports manually, sending screenshots, or trying to explain results over and over again in emails or calls, this video is designed to fix that. By the end of this video, you'll understand how client reporting portals work inside GoHighLevel, what dashboards actually make sense for retainer clients, and how to think about reporting in a way that builds trust instead of creating more work. Reporting isn't just about numbers, it's about helping clients clearly see the value of what they're paying for month to month. So let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that allows you to manage leads, clients, communication, automations, and reporting in one place. A client reporting portal inside GoHighLevel is a dedicated area where clients can log in and view their performance data without needing you to manually send updates. Instead of pulling data from different tools and turning it into slides or spreadsheets, the reporting portal pulls information directly from the system that's already running your clients' funnels, pipelines, and conversations. This keeps reporting accurate and up to date. For retainer-based services, this is especially important. Clients don't just want results, they want visibility. A reporting portal gives that ongoing access to what's happening so they don't feel left in the dark between calls. Let's get into some of the key features. One of the core features of GoHighLevel reporting is dashboards. So dashboards allow you to display key metrics visually using charts and numbers that are easy to understand without technical explanations. Another key feature is client level access. So each client logs into their own account and only sees their own data. This keeps reporting secure and just avoids confusion. GoHighLevel dashboards update automatically, so clients don't need to wait for a monthly PDF or summary email. They can log in at any time and see activity in real time. Reporting portals also help position your service as a system rather than just a collection of tasks. Clients see a clear structure instead of guessing what's happened behind the scenes. Why reporting matters more for retainers. So when clients are on a retainer, they're paying for ongoing work, not one-time delivery. That means reporting becomes part of the experience, not an afterthought. Without clear reporting, clients may start to question progress even if things are working, and silence can really create that doubt. A reporting portal fills that gap by making progress visible at all times. This is especially important for services where results do take time. Dashboards help clients see momentum instead of focusing only on short-term outcomes. Good reporting reduces unnecessary check-ins and makes conversations more productive when they do happen. Now let's talk about what makes a good reporting portal for retainers. A good reporting portal focuses on clarity, not volume. It shows the right metrics instead of every possible data point. For most retainer clients, the metrics that matter are the outcomes. This might include lead volume, booked appointments, pipeline movement, or message activity. These numbers tell the story without overwhelming the client. Consistency is also very important. So when the dashboard layout stays the same month after month, clients learn where to look and what each number means. This is going to build confidence and trust. A strong reporting portal answers common client questions before they're asked. Now I'm going to show you how to actually customize this reporting portal. So if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, we do have an exclusive link where you can get access to an extended 30-day free trial. Once you click that link, you'll go ahead and start an extended free trial. Then you'll go ahead and enter in your company name, full name, email address, and phone number. And then once you click go to step 2, you will have to add in your credit card, but you won't be charged until the 30 days is up. So if you are still deciding, just make sure you add a reminder at around day 28, 29 to make sure that you are good. Okay, now this navigation bar, we're going to go ahead and go to dashboards. So this is what a dashboard looks like, right? We can see opportunity status, opportunity value. You can see the dates right here. And like I mentioned, you don't want to change this up too much. I would highly recommend working directly with your client and seeing what they actually need. And then you can start with a template and then kind of go from there. So you can go ahead and start with a blank dashboard. You can start from a template or clone an existing dashboard. Let's go ahead and look at the templates. So what you can do is, maybe it's communication performance. So customer communication insights. Maybe you want team efficiency, right? Maybe you want revenue insights, which especially for your clients, that's probably going to be a great way to see how progress is moving forward. So we can preview this. Shows opportunity status, value, funnel. Okay, let's go ahead and choose this template. So like I said, you can create from scratch if you like. I always recommend recommend starting from a template and then customizing from there. So if you want to edit this, you can. If you wanted to do less, because sometimes more information is not better, maybe you want to remove the opportunity status, right? Maybe you want to make this conversion rate a bit better. Maybe the funnels, you like that there. The stage distribution, maybe we want to change this to the onboarding pipeline. Okay, maybe you want to remove that, right? Maybe you want to remove the opportunity counts over time. You can delete or duplicate that. I meant to delete that, but delete. Again, clients want to know that they're investing in you and you're moving them forward. And so having something like this that they can see anytime is going to help so much with customer retention. Okay, so you'll want to customize this completely. As soon as you are done, you can change the name of this. You even can do, pie charts, right? So if you want to save this, you can go ahead and, save a pie chart of this. So if you want to make a donut chart, a line chart, a bar chart, etc., you can do that. So it's really cool. You can customize this completely. You can move things around. You can add stuff. You can take away stuff. So again, that way you can really customize it for each client. Again, I would recommend starting with some sort of template or maybe having a couple of different templates based on different types of clients that you can easily duplicate and add into their client portal. And then from there, you can customize and tweak as needed. So what's cool about it is they make it really simple. You don't have to do anything crazy or calculate anything. They have everything right here. So you can add the numeric number of, total revenue, right? So you'll just get the sum of the revenue, okay, of last month. And maybe you want to move this to the top so they see. So again, you can really customize it to be whatever it is that you want and whatever it is that your client needs. As a side note, you definitely want to walk the client through the portal once during onboarding so they understand what they're actually looking at. Once this is set up, all of the reporting runs automatically in the background. Now let's talk about how reporting portals improve client retention. So clients are so much more likely to stay when they feel informed and they know they're moving forward. And a reporting portal gives them that ongoing visibility without needing constant updates. Instead of wondering if work is happening, clients can log in and see activity for themselves. This is going to build so much trust and reduce uncertainty. Reporting portals also change the tone of client conversations. Instead of asking for updates, clients can ask strategic questions based on the data that they already have. This just leads to better discussions and stronger partnerships. For retainer services, this transparency often makes the difference between long-term clients and early churn, which makes your value so much more visible. One of the biggest challenges with retainers is that much of the work happens behind the scenes. Clients don't always see it unless it's clearly presented. A reporting portal really helps surface that work. Pipelines show movement, dashboards show activity, trends show progress over time. This helps clients connect their investment to real outcomes even when results aren't instant. When value is visible, trust increases. You can also use it to set expectations. So reporting portals also help really set clear and realistic expectations. Clients can see trends over time instead of focusing on daily or weekly fluctuations. This just makes it so much easier to explain why certain months look different or why adjustments are needed. The data creates context instead of tension. Clear reporting also helps align expectations with what the service actually includes. Clients can see what's being tracked and why. This just reduces misunderstandings and protects the relationship. Reporting without overwhelming clients. So more data is not always better. Too many charts or metrics can confuse clients instead of helping them. A good reporting portal keeps things simple. It highlights what matters most and avoids unnecessary complexity. If a metric doesn't support a conversation or decision, it probably doesn't need to be front and center. Remember, the goal is clarity, not impressing clients with data volume. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest pros of creating a client reporting portal in GoHighLevel is transparency. Clients can see what's happening without waiting for updates, which builds trust. Another major benefit is time savings. Automated dashboards replace manual reporting and freeing up hours each month that would otherwise be spent pulling data and creating reports. They also just improve positioning. They make your service feel structured, organized, and professional. On the downside, reporting does require require upfront planning. You need to decide what metrics actually matter and how to present them clearly. There's also a risk of over-reporting. Showing too much data can overwhelm clients or distract them from the real goals. Simplicity really is key here. Now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options of GoHighLevel so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. So they do have a couple of different options here. They've got the Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. With the Starter plan, it's $97 per month. With this, you get all the tools to capture more leads. You can get the full online booking pipeline, social calendar, website builder, funnel builder, and so much more. You get unlimited contacts and users. Then you can also set up to 3 sub accounts. If you need more than 3 sub accounts, Unlimited is going to be your plan. So the Unlimited plan is $297 per month. And with this, you get everything in the Starter, but you get unlimited sub accounts, you get API access, and a branded desktop app. Lastly is the SaaS Pro plan, which is $497 a month. With this, you get everything in Unlimited, but you get auto sub account creation and then rebilling is enabled. Okay, so find the plan that's going to best fit your needs based on where you're at in business. Overall, if you work on retainers and want to improve transparency, reduce manual reporting, and increase client retention, creating a reporting portal in GoHighLevel is absolutely worth it. On the other hand, if you only work on short-term projects or one-off services, a full reporting portal may feel a bit unnecessary. This setup is best for agencies and service providers who value long-term relationships built on clarity and trust. I know how frustrating it can feel when clients don't fully see the work you're doing behind the scenes, but a reporting portal makes that work visible without adding more tasks to your day. So it really is a win-win for you and your client. If you want to explore GoHighLevel and play around with the reporting dashboard, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below so you can get an extended 30-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you master GoHighLevel so you can build smarter systems without confusion. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.